In this video, I'm going to show you 6 health benefits of alkaline water, its side effects, and even how to make alkaline water. Everyone knows that drinking water is good for you, but there could be a way to make it even better. Alkaline water has been praised by celebrities for weight loss, clear skin, and even fighting cancer. The theory is if things are alkaline, then this helps to neutralize the acid in your bloodstream, and that's associated with certain health benefits. So what is alkaline water, and is it really better than boring water we've been drinking all along? Alkaline water is water that has a higher pH level than tap water. 7 is a neutral pH. The higher the pH level, the more alkaline or basic it is. The lower the pH level, the more acidic it is. Tap water has a pH of roughly 7, and the alkaline water is closer to about 8 or 9. Illnesses are the most common causes for changes in the blood pH level. Diabetes can make your blood more acidic, whereas kidney problems can make it more alkaline. Certain foods, including dairy products, can also make your blood more acidic. So where does alkaline water come from? Natural alkaline water can occur when water picks up minerals from areas such as springs when it passes over rocks in the environment. Some water brands focus specifically on alkaline water. You can also make your own alkaline water with simple ingredients such as lemon juice and/or baking soda, which I'll show you at the end of this video. Products such as water ionizers can also be used to make it more alkaline. So is alkaline water good for you? Our body is often subjected to various toxins, not only from the food we eat, but also from our environment. These toxic substances can accumulate over time, which can lead to cellular damage, which can lead to premature aging. This means that you may see plenty of lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and even sagging skin, even when you're still in your 30s or so. How will you be able to fight off toxins that seem to be bent on making your skin look older? Well, you can do this by drinking alkaline water. Let's take a look at the top 6 beneficial reasons for drinking it. Number 1, it can minimize risk of osteoporosis. There are studies that show that when there are high levels of acids in the body, which goes on for a long period of time, they can actually affect your bone health. The acid can actually draw out the calcium, which is making your bones strong, thus leading them to be brittle or weak. With that being said, drinking alkaline water can actually protect your bones in osteoporosis. Number 2, let's take a look at the cancer benefits. Some studies have shown that acidic environments help cancer cells grow, so that the idea is a diet high in alkaline foods and liquid and low acidic foods will raise the body's pH levels, making the body more alkaline and prevent or even cure cancer. It should be noted that these are studies of cancer cells in a dish and do not represent the complex nature of how tumours behave in the human body, and food cannot change the pH of your blood. Number 3, detoxing the body. Another benefit that you can get from drinking alkaline water is that it helps detoxify your body from any acidic wastes that have accumulated every day, as well as those that have been left behind from the toxins that we're absorbing from our environment and food. By drinking alkaline water, you're actually neutralizing the acidity in your body and eliminating waste products for your overall health. Number 4, it's good for acid reflux. Acid reflux can be triggered when you drink or eat foods that cause inflammation in your stomach. Alkaline water, on the other hand, is actually good for your stomach, since it doesn't cause the acids in your stomach to react, since this water can neutralize the acids effectively. Consider alkaline water like using antacids, where it eases the digestive enzymes in your stomach. Number 5, an acnebuster. Alkaline water helps to remove toxins from your body. You already know that ionized water is full of antioxidants, and they help to destroy the bad guys in your body which contribute to acne. Alkaline hydration is also important. The smaller size of the water molecules from the water ionizer help to hydrate and nourish you from the inside out. Number 6, it can improve your immune system. What other benefits can you get from drinking alkaline water? Well, it appears that it's also good for your immune system, since it has the ability to ward off any free radicals that can compromise your immune system. And when you have a fully functioning immune system, you won't be susceptible to illnesses compared to before. So let's take a look at the side effects. Another plus to drinking alkaline water is that it doesn't come with any harmful side effects, except if you drink very high alkaline quantity levels, which can lead to skin irritation and gastrointestinal issues. The only other problem that you might encounter is that it's more expensive compared to tap water because the ionizers are considerably more expensive. So to make alkaline water, all you're going to need is a lemon, half a medium-sized cucumber, a quarter of ginger root and half a cup of mint leaves. To prepare, first you need to wash all the ingredients and then cut them up. The ginger needs to be peeled before that. Put them in a jar of water and leave it overnight. In the morning you should strain the drink and consume it before you eat anything, and then you can take it throughout the day as well. I hope you've enjoyed this video on the 6 health benefits of alkaline water, and if you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the health benefits of drinking water.